Hi, so this is the way how I change the tires on this one axle trailer. So let's check that the trailer is on a level surface, and let's place wheel chocks on the tire on one side of the trailer. If the trailer has handbrake, please engage it. I place some kind of support under the trailer's body. If something goes wrong during the tire change, the support will keep the body up. And then we loosen the wheel bolts slightly. And let's place the jack under the body and make sure that the jack's valve is closed so that the jack operates as it should. I place a piece of wood between the jack and the body to prevent any damage to the body. And before we remove all the bolts, let's make sure that the wheel spins freely. And then all the wheel bolts can be removed. Now the wheel came off. Before putting the wheel back on, let's apply a bit of lubricant to the bolt holes and also to the bolts themselves. This lubrication makes it easier to loosen the bolts next time and helps prevent them from rusting and getting stuck. And then the new tire is put in place. And let's put rest of the bolts to their places. And now all the bolts have been hand tightened evenly, so each bolt is turned to the same tightness. And next, let's lower the body slightly lower, and let's tighten the bolts again evenly. And if you can't hand tighten the bolts, you can also use the tool. And next, let's try to gently open the jack's valve so the body goes a little bit lower so the wheel doesn't spin anymore freely. And next, let's tighten the bolts to their final tightness or to the desired torque. And let's remember to tighten each bolt evenly. And let's check that the tires have the recommended air pressure. The recommended pressure can usually be found in the vehicle's owner's manual. And that was the trailer tire change in a nutshell. The wheel bolts tightness should also be checked again after about 100 kilometers of driving to make sure they are still properly tightened. And one small tip at the end, you can also do the tire change while the trailer is still attached to the towing vehicle. That way it's possible to perform the change even on a slightly uneven surface, as long as the towing vehicle's handbrake is engaged so the trailer stays in place. So have a great day and happy tire changing. Bye.